Claim, did Access My India pre-poll survey figures show NDA facing tough challenge in 13 states? Fact check. The claim is going viral on social media. Several claims emerged on social media sharing a report by Access My India that showed purportedly pages from the survey report showing the number of seats that may be won by the NDA and India Bloc and others. See some of them here. This opinion poll from AMI is circulating on social media, which is claiming that BJP is well short of majority in 2024, BJP to 15, NDA is equal to 248, INC 118, India is equal to 236. This survey shows loss of seats for BJP in dozens of states. And projecting the game open. The viral image with a letterhead of Access My India showing some key states and the seats projected to be won by different political parties has gone viral, triggering a heated debate around the mistakes as well. See the post here and here. Another user shared the report with a caption that said, "The viral image with a letterhead of Access My India showing some key states and the seats projected to be won by different political parties has gone viral, triggering a heated debate around the mistakes as well." Fact check. The claim is false. Access My India denied it and clarified that they conduct only exit polls. Fact check details. Digit India set out to check the authenticity of the post as the tally for Karnataka was unprofessional. Out of 28 seats in Karnataka, 11 were shown for NDA and out of which BJP to get 14, while 14 more for Congress, which do not add up.
विपक्षी पार्टियों द्वारा खासकर लोगों को भ्रामित करने के लिए इस तरह के डुप्लीकेट और फेक और इस तरह के सारे प्रेडिक्शन हमारे नाम का, हमारे लोगों का, हमारी कंपनी का इस्तेमाल करते हुए जो दिखाए जा रहे हैं, ये बिल्कुल ही गैर जिम्मेदाराना। दूसरी बात है कि ये बिल्कुल इलीगल है। इसके दौरान ईसीआई की स्ट्रिक्ट गाइडलाइन है, कोई भी किसी भी तरीके के प्रेडिक्शन नहीं निकाल सकता और ये तो फ्रॉड कर रहे हैं, हमारे नाम का दुरुपयोग कर रहे हैं अपने फायदे के लिए, जो बिल्कुल अच्छी बात नहीं है। और हम
Further search on the official website of Access My India yielded no results, and soon we found a press release put out on Twitter by the agency stating that they do not conduct any pre-poll surveys but only exit poll surveys. It said, "This is to inform you all that Access My India never publishes any kind of pre-poll opinion poll. This will hold true for the entire period till the exit polls are released by us after the elections as per ECI guidelines on 1st June at 6:30 p.m. Also, there is nothing called internal-external report." Hence, the claim that Access My India survey page shows NDA 13 key states where NDA faces tough challenge is false. Claim, Access My India survey figures show NDA faces tough challenge in 13 key states in 2024 elections. Conclusion, the claim is false. Access My India denied it and clarified that they conduct only exit polls. Rating, misleading? The claim is false. Thank you for visiting us, digiti.in.
Subscribe to our channel Digiti India.